Alright, so good evening. This is my progress team report for English 315 about the team progress report, and so far it's doing okay, but it could be a little better. One of the problems we have is communication, and it seems kind of odd that nobody has the exact meetup time. We just started working on the Google Doc whenever we on our own time, which is okay, but it doesn't seem as cohesive as what I'm used to because with Team Press, I'm used to people being to be at the same time, having a Zoom talk or something, and to me it feels a bit choppy or odd that everybody's just updating whenever, and it's like you don't know what the other person's doing. It's kind of weird. I mean, it looks like everybody participated and wrote something on the document, but to me, yeah, it's kind of odd. And we're still working out that issue. We have text, which we're able to text each other and say, see how we're doing and stuff with the project, which was nice. And it seems like that's usually the best way to get people. And it looks like that will continue for a bit with the texting because we're not sure of everybody's schedule yet. And yeah, that's how it's gonna go. And the main thing I think that's impeding the communication is people doing schedules and constant changing of schedules. I mean, I think next week I'll just try to communicate with them earlier in the week and see what happens with that. Um, the main communication success was once again the text and being able to collaborate through Google Doc. And they the person who created the document, I forgot their name, shared me the stuff earlier in the week, which was good. And as experience as an individual, I would like to get it done earlier, but it's the last week, a couple weeks of class, and it's tough just trying to cram everything in and trying to work early on stuff. I mean, the project is interesting because it looks like something that we're going to be using in the future because periodically we have to use reports, make reports of different things, and I'm just not used to making infographics of different stuff yet on computer, so that's what I'm going to be working on or hope to work on. And I think this class has helped me get a little bit more tech savvy with different types of documents. And as an individual, this project is going okay. I researched for the this draft sustainability and put the work side into the paper, and I hope my teammates can contribute to that because they wrote stuff, but I don't think they got a chance to post their sources yet, or for the information or the ideas. If they use sources, I don't know how they came up with the stuff they came up with. And as a team, this isn't the best team I worked at, but this isn't the worst either. Everybody seems to be participating. Everybody seems to want to get stuff done, so that seems good too. And the feedback's pretty helpful. And yeah, and with this team project, they call it the company's Blue Cereal, which isn't a bad idea per se, but I would have liked the name to be more a bit more broad because cereal only implies the thing about cereal companies is that they usually just don't only sell cereal, they sell grains and other stuff. And I think we would have came with better ideas if we all had the same meeting time. But overall, I think the project's going to go well. I hope it will go well. And the thing that's more bothersome is that Group 5, the group that my team was supposed to be feedbacking, they did not post their stuff on the folder. I don't know what happened to them, whether or not there's something wrong with my internet that, or my end that caused it not to show up, but I ended up having give feedback to Group 1 on their report because the group we were supposed to post, I was supposed to post to didn't have the thing up where I could see it. Maybe they posted it to the wrong place by mistake. I don't know, but I couldn't find theirs. So I just group feedback to group ones. Gave feedback to group ones, and hopefully I get to see group fives. But I guess it is what it is. Thank you. Have a nice day.